Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to check if a value is present in Java map or not. So for example, suppose we have got this map ready and has put few values into it in the form of key value pair as is done in the map. And then in the previous video tutorial, we have seen how to check whether a key is present or not, like Java, C, Python is the key in this one. So we have used contains key method there, and here we have an alternative to check for the value, that is contains value. And what this contains value does is when it is invoked on the map in which is created, then this contains value will return boolean value true if the value that we are searching for is present in the map, and it will return false if it is not present. And it returns few exceptions like class cast exception and null pointer exception if proper care is not taken in that kind of area. So now for example, if we pass 10, that is the value that we are searching for is 10. Now what will happen is it will check whether 10 is associated to any key or not, and here we can see that yes, 10 is associated to Java, and then it finds that 10 is present in this map and it will return value true which is stored in this boolean result, and then it is printed over here. So if we execute this one, we will see that we get the value true. See, we are getting the value true because 10 is present in our map. Now if we search for 101 in this same map, then we know that 101 is not present in the map, like we can see here from the naked eyes, right? But suppose we are fetching something from the database which has around 1000 to 2000 datas, then we will not be able to search in this way in the form of naked eyes. Then this contains value method will be really helpful in finding out whether a particular value is present or not. For example, if we search for 101, then it will check in the data which is present in the map and it will find that 101 is not present, and that a result, this variable result will have the value false and it will get printed over here, and we will see the value false getting printed on the console. So let's execute this and see the value false is getting printed because this 101 is not present. Similarly, you can add more values, means key value pairs, and then try to find out different values based on this contains value method. And you should also try that contains key method to check whether you are able to get the keys or not, that we have seen in the previous video tutorial. Hope you have learned something from here. If yes, then please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.